Hello everybody, how are we all? And welcome back to the channel, guys. Another episode of Great British Classic Pub Food. Today we are doing, what's it called? Toad in the hole. God, my mind, my brain. Oh God, toad in the hole, guys, we're doing today. Nice and simple. I'm just going to really show you the toad in the hole. We're just going to have a bit of mash with it, have what you want, I suppose. But we'll show you the toad in the hole. And before I start, I went to at the dentist this morning, so I popped into Iceland. People were telling me they're doing half a legs of lamb for 12 quid. So I thought, well, I'll pop in there and I'll have a look. So I went in, guys, and I got a whole leg of lamb. They're doing whole legs of lamb for £12.50 for Easter, guys. So if anyone's interested, they only had 2 left in ours, so I suppose they're going like hot cakes. Just under 2 kg this is. So, yeah, that's what that is, £12.50, guys, Iceland. And I'll just show you these one, mate, actually. There's my sausages. I got them from the butcher's while I was in town. They are gold award winning. I got 6. I think it was £3.90 for 6. Just because I was in there, that's all. Otherwise, I just went up to Aldi and got the normal Cumberland or Lancashire or something. So we've got 4 eggs. We've got a cup of flour. I want the same amount of milk as the flour. And we want a bit of lard. So, let's prepare. Okay, guys, first thing you want to do is your eggs. Get them in. 4 eggs in. 4 eggs. Hens. Give them a whisk. I say I've done a toad in the hole, and I on my channel a few times. Well, this is individual ones, guys. Individual, not a big one. Get your flour. I think this is 175 grams. This usually makes 10 little ones, by the way, if you haven't seen them before. So I'm presuming this probably make about 3 individuals, I suppose. We'll see. Get all the flour incorporated into your egg. Bit at a time, like so. Get your milk, exactly the same as your flour. And then you can't go wrong. Mix a little bit at a time, guys, and then keep doing it until you get yourself a nice batter. Last little bit. And mix that in. You can keep a couple of lumps in there if you want to. I'm doing the batter first because I like to leave mine sitting on the side to get to complete room temperature. Next step, guys. There's all me. Got old mix there sitting in a jug. Just leave it to the side. Don't even worry about it. I got my oven warming up. 180 degrees I'm going to have it because these are going to be obviously a bit bigger. So I'm hoping to go a bit taller. So I want it to make sure it's cooked all the way through. So it's on 180 degrees. We're going to let it heat up. I'm going to get a teaspoon of lard. I always use lard for my Yorkshire puds because I find it a lot better. Just a teaspoon, that'll do us. We'll let that warm up. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to brown me old sausages up in the pan. Because I find it then, you don't get too much of a greasy Yorkshire pud. So, I'll give that 10 minutes to warm up the oven. We'll get them in, and then while they're heating up that fat, we'll brown me old sausages. Okay, guys, I've got the oil, well, the tins with the oil in the oven. I'm going to get just a drop of oil in my pan, and we're going to brown all the sausages up. Sausages in. Say 6 of these. 5. 6. And we will get them browned over, guys, all the way through. All the way round. We're not actually cooking the sausage all the way through, because don't forget it's going to go in the old oven. Just browning them up. They're looking nice, actually. You're having a couple of minutes. They're looking lovely. I was just thinking, because I reckon this is going to do probably 3. Should I put one in the air fryer and see how that comes out? I've never actually mastered Yorkshire pudding in the air fryer. I know the oil's already in the oven and the sausages are on there. Last time I done one, I think I done it on a live stream and like as flat as a pancake. So I'm wondering whether to do one in the air fryer. I think I might, just to see. Yeah, let's get the air fryer warmed up and all, guys, and we'll get one in the air fryer just to see what it's like. Because I know some of you probably do it in the air fryer anyway. Looking nice now, guys, look. I've set the air fryer up, I've just got to warm it up in a minute. Get these browned off first a bit. These are looking really nice. Award-winning, gold award-winning pork sausages. Oh yeah. And there's my mash, that's all we're having. You don't need to just do whatever you want, whether you want veg with it or whatever you want. We're just having mash, that's all. Salt and pepper now, guys, into my old Yorkshire pudding mix, all to taste, obviously. And now I'm just going to get my air fryer on to warm through. There's the sausages, looking nice. I'm only doing them really slow, because I've got to wait for my oil to warm up anyway, so I ain't really rushing. They're looking nice though. I'm going to get them out in a second. You only want some colour on, guys. You want some more colour on that one there. Okay, guys, I'm going to get my sausages out. Don't forget they are not cooked yet. Just a bit of colour, that's all. Oh, I nearly dropped that one on the floor. That's them done. We'll get the hot oil out. There we go, there's 1. There's 2. Ow. There's 3. Get me 2 sausages in each. This one, I'll put that one in the air fryer, it can have the little sausages. Well, that's a big sausage, that is there, look. It's a huge sausage. Get them in there, gotta be quick on this bit, ain't you? Because you want to keep everything hot. As much as you can. Give that another stir, air fryer's done. Pour in. About halfway, something like that. Just like that. That's made just, well, it's probably enough for probably half of one. Right, let's get them back in, guys. In the oven, I say I'm going to put mine in for about 30 minutes. Until they're cooked, obviously, but just don't open your door. At least, I'd say at least till 30 minutes when you're doing a big one. Right, guys, my only problem I've got with the air fryer, I mean, the thing's nearly touching the elements, so I hope it doesn't rise. I don't know how long they're supposed to go in for, and I don't want to open it until it's done. And I can't really see, if I show you, put the light on, you can't see nothing because the thing's up the top there, look. So, I don't know. I've never done them in there before. So we're just going to have to trial and error it. I put that on for 25 minutes, the air fryer, so, but I could Google it. Let me Google it and see what it tells you, actually. To make toasted in the air fryer, cook sausage 5 or 7 minutes, I've already done that. Until it starts to colour, then remove the sausages, pour in the batter. 15 to 20 minutes it says, guys. So I'll put it on for 25, so I'm going to leave it for 25. If it burns a bit, we know, don't we? But you'll probably know more than me. I don't know. Them ones are just starting to rise. I can show you them if you want. They're just starting. You probably can't see a lot. Just starting to rise up. Oh, yes. Looking good, guys, looking good. I don't know if you can see anything. The air fryer one's got 2 minutes to go. I've just put some butter in the potatoes there, but they just me mash. I don't know whether to get it out and have a look. Should we try? So that's been in for, well, 23 minutes. Probably burnt and everything. Let's have a look, guys. First time looking. Sort of, I suppose. It's shrunk a lot. It's crispy. Doesn't look as good as that one, them though. Look. Difference between... Let's get it out anyway, let's have a look at it. Alright, let's get this out. before I burn myself. And let's have a look. Just so I can sort of compare anyway. There is the air fryer one, my first proper attempt, I suppose. What do you reckon? I mean, it's done the job, ain't it? But look at them beauties. They've got about 10 minutes left, they have. I'm going to leave them for about 35 minutes to make sure they're all cooked all the way through. OK, guys, we're going to get them out now. They've been in about 32 minutes, so I'm hoping they're done. Let's get them out and have a look. Whoa. Oh, there they are. Hope it doesn't sink. There they are, look. Oh, yes. Right, let's get them on some plates, let's dish up, and let's have a look. Oh, yes, guys, eh, babe?
Smells delicious.
Oh, that's just gravy granules, guys, by the way, that is.
I'll let you have yours and then I can pour some more on.
Oh, yes.
Lots of gravy.
Lots of gravy. Let's get some gravy. Oh, you haven't got your mic on, grab your mic. Oh. Pour some of that gravy on there. Oh, yes. What do you reckon now, then? That's getting in there, ain't you, babe? Getting in. I ain't got the camera right at all. I want to do an experiment on you, darling, anyway. Let me move the camera. Yeah?
Delicious.
I want to do a little experiment with you.
What
if you don't mind. That is an air fryer one. I mean, you see the difference? Let me just show you the actual difference, actually, guys. Look.
Did you take it out too soon?
Air fryer, no.
Oh.
But in 25 minutes, there's the air fryer. And there's mine. So have yourself a little taste of that, Bab, and see what you think. Put a bit of gravy on it if you want to. You know, as if you normally would. We do prefer ours in the oven. That's why I've never really tried them in the air fryer. You know what I mean?
Last time only once. Pancake.
It was like a pancake, weren't it? Been all right for a Yorkshire pudding wrap. But that was about it. It wasn't even good for that. No. Too dry. Not the same in the fluffiness and everything.
It's got the taste, but it's more denser. It's really dense. It's like not fluffy and crunchy and
it's like dried out or something. Or...
Yeah, it's like dried out.
There we go then.
Good effort though.
Yeah.
Can't
I've done it because there was a spare one. Because the lads ain't having this tonight, are they? So
no. You try it. No, I've tried it. You try some.
Okay, let me try a bit.
I've just tried the thingy. You try some. It's really dense.
She's dry as well, isn't it?
I much prefer them like these. These are delicious.
Yes. That's very dry. I know it's been sitting a little bit longer, but...
No, you can just tell. It's really like compressed, hasn't it? Yeah. Compacted, whatever you call it.
Now let's try this one.
This one's delicious.
Where should we start? Let's start with a sausage. These sausages are Gold Award winning, babe.
Ooh.
From the butcher.
Yes, and I can see why they're Gold winning. Oh yeah, good sausage.
That's good sausage, that is it? That's butter meat as well.
It's got some nice flavours in it. They're really nice. Yeah, delicious that is.
Look, let me just let the dog out.
Oh.
Go on then. Oh.
I can see why they're award winning.
Oh, she's going to be sick. Oh. You happy, darling?
More than happy, thank you.
Well, there you go then. You're happy, I'm happy.
It's absolutely
Everybody's happy.
And the potato, just love the potato.
Now, I don't know about my leg of lamb, guys, whether it'll be tomorrow. Depends if I can get it defrosted or not. If not, I'll have to be Friday. I'll probably cook it tomorrow, but I don't know if I'll get it uploaded. It depends if it's defrosting time. You want to cook it from defrosted, because you want to season it and all that stuff. But £12.50 for a leg of lamb at the minute at Iceland. Get yourself down there. See if they've got anything by you. They only had 2 left by us. I think they're putting a couple out a day instead of everyone nicking them.
Yeah. It's delicious.
Oh yeah.
Yes, yes, yes.
Great British classics. Toes in the hole.
I so much enjoy my mash like this. It's so much nicer.
You prefer it, don't you?
It's really nice.
And it's better on your belly as well.
You've cooked an amazing dinner here, sweetheart. Thank you very much.
Thank you, darling.
It tastes delicious, as always.
Because I wasn't going to do the video, depending on what Nat had done to her teeth.
Oh, yeah.
She was all right.
I'm okay.
So I thought, well, I'll do this.
I'm okay, thank you. I'm glad I am.
So, then, guys, there you go. Toad in the hole. British pub food classics. Delicious, any toad in the hole. We all have toad in the hole, can have it any time, and it's only cheap to make, innit? Bit of flour, bit of milk, couple of sausages, wherever you get them from. Some mash or veg or whatever you put on the plate. Eggs. You're done, ain't you? You know what I mean?
Yeah.
So, until the next time, guys, we will see you later. Bye-bye.
I'm glad my teeth are all right, otherwise I'd probably just have cereal or soup.
More soup.
Soup?
More for me.
This is... No. I'd have been wow jealous. This is delicious.
I'm going to do a big, massive, lovely dinner when you have your teeth done. I'm going to do you some beans on toast.
You get.
See you later, guys.